I'm gonna show you how to do duct work. I got this special little drill bit right here that'll help me start a hole. Of course, we have safety glasses. Any insulation, I suggest wearing a mask as well, so you're not breathing the fibers because you're going to be up close to it. And then we got gloves so you don't cut yourself. So here's a package that has what color goes with what direction. I suggest you take a permanent marker and write on the tool so you always know which way they go, because they do kind of look the same. Trace my circle with one of these. The guys told me not to worry if it's not exactly perfect because metal is bendable. Now I'm using the left cutting tool to do this. So this is actually going really nice and smooth with new tools. Easy to manipulate. For me to hold on to. And then I just kind of bend the little teeth inside. This is fine. I'm gonna put tape around here. I put the tape around it. I use a metal tape. Gotta put this on. Fortunately for me, gloves kind of make this harder. So we'll make sure that's on all the way. And this stuff, and it's okay to have some insulation plugged up here like this because it helps keep everything insulated. And then there's two different things you can do. You can use metal clamps, which I tried before, and they kind of made it more challenging and slowed me down a lot. And there's also these gigantic zip ties, which are a lot cheaper than metal clamps. So I voted to go with this instead, so that I can get this done a lot quicker. Just gotta get these on really tight. On there pretty good. So one of the secrets to flexible duct is to make sure that it's all stretched out and that there's not a lot of folding going on, because when it folds, it's gonna reduce the airflow. I did notice on the zip tie up there that if I pulled too hard, it would come off, so I tightened it more. I'm going to use the clamps on the rest of the ones up there, but then just use zip ties on this because these aren't gonna have the pressure on them. Pressure is gonna be going in, where on this one, the pressure is gonna be blowing out. My husband pre-made the boots with the frame, and that's a lot easier than putting this on and then putting the boot on because it doesn't move. Always take more off, but you cannot put more on. So keep that in mind. Have a friend up here helping me. Cutters on the wire. And there's that. stretch this out, this, and get it nice and tight down on the duct so that it's actually insulating the boot. If you have too much extra though, you definitely want to cut it off. Now I'm gonna put my zip tie on. Vice grips are great for this. And we have it. It's well insulated. There we have it. One is done.